If you're earning a low income and struggling to save money, this video is for you. I know how it feels when every dollar already has a purpose before the month begins. Rent, groceries, bills, transport, and suddenly there's nothing left. But saving on a low income isn't impossible. It just requires clarity and control. The first step is simple. Know your exact survival number. Write down only the essentials: rent, food, utilities, transportation. When you see the real number, you stop guessing. And that brings control. Even if only $50 remains each month, that's your starting point. Don't wait to save big. Start small. 2%, 5%. Just begin. Saving isn't about the amount. It's about building the habit. Your first financial goal should be protection, not investing. Build a small emergency fund, $500, then $1,000. Because unexpected expenses will happen, and savings prevent debt. Debt is heavy when income is limited. Protection must come first. Now focus on your biggest expenses, not the small ones. Reducing one large cost saves more than cutting many small comforts. You don't need to remove every joy. Just make intentional choices. If expenses are tight, slowly work on increasing income. Offer a skill, freelance part-time, start small. Even a small extra income each month can change your stability. Move your savings immediately when you get paid. If it stays in your main account, it will slowly disappear. Low income does not mean no progress. It simply means progress will be slower, and that's okay. Small, consistent steps build financial stability. Start small, stay consistent, take control of your money. And if this helped you, keep learning. Financial stability starts with awareness. Remember, every small step counts. Even saving a few dollars each week adds up. Keep your focus on essentials and watch your savings grow over time. Start today, be consistent, and take control of your financial future. You can do this. Remember, financial freedom starts with small steps. Every effort you make counts. Stay consistent, stay patient, and keep control of your money. You are building a brighter future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep learning. Your journey to financial stability starts today.